Another one of these hunters I haven't found the model of yet. I'm too lazy to check right now, so it'll be in the title and in the description. Cut from the switch, the light. All these are unfortunately higher ceilings than I have height right now. These are brand new hunters. Building 6 absolutely hates them. Of course, he hates pretty much everything. He hates all Walmart and new Harbor Breeze Hampton Bay Hunter. He hates anything new and cheap. I reckon I do too. I don't blame him. They suck, especially Walmart's. I just don't like Walmart's because they don't have brands, so it's hard to brand on here. And new hunters either break when they don't put it out in the air, is what 6 says. And I'll take his word on that. But this puts a lot of air out and it's quiet. We'll see if it's here next year. That's all I can say. Let's cut it off from the switch. Here's the light again. The only one that didn't put on backwards. This is in the living room. The other one I showed was in my grandma's room. Here, she isn't here yet, but she'll be here soon. Yet again, I'm going to cut it off early. Sorry. See you later in the next vid, which is I have 2 more to do.